This repair video for the P1607 error code is specifically tailored for Acura drivers. If your Acura is showing up P1607 code, this is for you. This means that the powertrain control module has detected an internal circuit failure. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Blown fuse. Internal circuit failure. Faulty ECM/PCM. Poor electrical connections. Voltage issues. So here are the two practical solutions to fix the P1607 error code at home. Method A, the transmission control module. The transmission control module can often be found below the cover at the back of the transmission case. It should be just below the engine control module's position. Visually check the transmission control module itself and its electrical connections for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the transmission control module. PCM replacement. The PCM is usually located in the engine bay, under the dash or near the firewall, usually mounted with bolts or clips and connected to a wiring harness. Unplug the wiring harness carefully. There may be clips or levers on the connector. Remove any bolts or brackets holding the PCM in place. Take out the old PCM. Install the new PCM in the reverse order. Plug in the wiring harness securely. Secure it with bolts or brackets. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Chrysler, Acura, Honda, and Mitsubishi. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.